Hey my friends, this is Loli. Welcome to Loli D's Creations. Today is day 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas opening by collaboration, and we will be working on tabletop decor. Here we go with this beautiful centerpiece. To create this, I started with 3 of these candle holders from Dollar Tree and 3 of these pillar candle holders as well from Dollar Tree. These are 3 different sizes. I removed the tag off of all of them using some heat and my scraper. Then I took the metal candle holders and I'm going to add some of that super glue Loctite to the very top of them. And then I'm going to press them down to the bottom of the glass candle holders. And I repeated this step with all 3 of the candle holders. My friends, I want to take a quick moment to say thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you stayed for the entirety of it. And if you're new, coming from one of the other channels, welcome. And to my current subscribers, guys, I love you dearly. Thank you so much for all your support. Now we're going to put these to the side to dry, and we're going to start working on the next part of our project. This part is optional. I wanted something that I can move around instead of having to pick up each piece. So I took this Lazy Susan that I got at my thrift shop for $3. I removed the sticker, scraped it off, and I went to take and painted with 3 coats of my mixture that I made using my white Black & Decker paint and primer and some plaster of Paris. I give this 2 coats. I dried it in between coats using my heat gun. Alright, now we're going to put it to the side and we're going to work on this wreath form. So I'm removing that sticker off of it. And I'm going to take a variety of different picks from Dollar Tree. And these all came from Dollar Tree, guys. So I'm just taking a variety of it. First, I took this one that has the berries, removed that tag off, and I cut it into individual pieces. So I'm able to arrange it onto my wreath form. Friends, so this video is part of the 12 Days of Christmas opening by collaboration hosted by Amanda from Mollycall Creations and Brenda from Rustic and Waste DIY. The link to their channels and to their playlist will be linked in my description box below and also pinned in the comments. Today is day 2 and we are working on tabletop decor, and tomorrow we will be back with tags. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you head on over to their channels and to their playlist and show everyone some love. Now I'm using 2 picks of these poinsettias from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut them into very small stems and put them in between each one of the holly bunches. My friends, if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and I hope you will consider subscribing as well. And if you do, make sure that you hit the notification bell so YouTube notifies you each time that I upload a new video. All these things are free and they mean the world to me. So friends, here I was down 1 of my poinsettias. So if you do this, use 3 picks because you're going to need an extra one to put in between there. Alright, so it's fine. We're going to fix this later on. Right now I'm using one of these new picks from Dollar Tree. I love these guys. If you find them, get them. They are so pretty. They give a sparkle to anything you put it on, and they are so high-end looking. So I'm going to add these in between the picks as well, just to give this a little bit more dimension and variety in my florals. And here you're seeing how I'm fixing the adding another poinsettia. So I'm just spacing it out a little bit differently so it doesn't look so much like a missing piece in the hole there. So then here I am adding my greenery. I'm adding it like in between the poinsettia and the hollies, like in 4 or 5 different sections of my wreath, as you see there. Just trying to have it look evenly and give this more of a finish and full look in the middle. So apparently I put 7 of them actually on there. Just space them out until you're happy with what you see. Some pieces here were a little bit too high, so I'm just here removing some and cutting down some of the pick so they are more even. Now we're gonna make this even more beautiful. So I'm going to use some of these poinsettias from Dollar Tree. They also came out this year. They have this beautiful shine to them, and the red is so vibrant. I love it. So I added these to the sides of my wreath. I apologize, guys, that I'm Here I'm out of frame and you're not able to see me actually put them on the side, but I'm just cutting the pieces of the stems pretty short that they're able to go through the reed form but not go all the way through to the other side, if that makes any sense, so it doesn't poke to the other side. And I did this all the way around, leaving spaces in between because I'm going to come in after that with something else. And this is what it was looking like so far. Here we needed to cover up the inside green part of the reed form, so I'm going to use this Lyconium that I got from Dollar Tree. I love how this looks. It doesn't have the best of smells, but it looks beautiful. So I use this, gluing it in the inside with hot glue until I cover the entire reed form. Once it was all covered, I shaked off all the excess and removed any little glue webs that tend to be around our projects. All right, so now I'm going to use some of these pine cones that I got from my in-laws that they brought over when they came the last time. And I'm going to glue them in between the poinsettias to help me cover that green and give this another level of texture. Friends, when you're doing this, take your time, do one at a time. Don't be like me that I couldn't wait and then my stuff was falling down. Right there, you see how my pine cones get falling? Because I didn't have the patience to sit and wait until my glue set. So don't be like me, okay? Just keep it there, hold it in place, and it's not that long of a wait really. And I did that all the way around the entire piece, and this is what it's looking like so far. Look how cute that is. I love it. Then I'm going to place it onto my Lazy Susan, as you see right there. And now that my candle holders are dry, I'm going to position it inside of my wreath, as you see right there. And then I added some tea light candle from Dollar Tree, and this is complete. Here we go with the final reveal. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments. I want to give a thanks to Brenda and Amanda for hosting this fun collaboration, and we will see you tomorrow with some tags DIYs. My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget to visit my friends in the playlist. If you would like to watch some more of my videos, here's a suggestion, and you are more than welcome to binge away with this playlist as well. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. You're amazing. Bye.